You can get into a great routine and really change what you see in the mirror. I'm not saying change your nose or your lips. I'm saying brighten, control breaking out more, or control the moisture level of the skin. Even you can tighten your skin up, all non-invasively. Anything is possible with the right tools. Good morning, I'm Joanna Vargas. Welcome to my home. I am up super early this morning because I have a ton of clients today. I just finished doing my green smoothie, and now I'm gonna take you to do my Marie Claire 5-minute face. Welcome to my bathroom. So before I do any makeup, of course, I do a ton of skincare, and big surprise, I use my own products. So the first thing that I'm gonna put on is my Eden serum. It's my hyaluronic acid stem cell serum. I like as much moisture as possible on my face before I do my makeup, and don't forget your neck. Hyaluronic acid really gives the skin a dose of hydration that will stay with you the whole day. Next, I'm gonna do my rejuvenating serum, of course, me again. This is one of my favorite smells out of my entire line. This product reminds me of when I was a little girl doing makeup and hair with my grandma. She is the inspiration for my career. My rejuvenating serum is made with 5 different oils. It helps increase circulation in the skin so you get a nice rosy glow, and it will help hold hydration in the skin better. I take a few minutes and just massage it into my skin. It gives me a bit of a lift, and I feel like I look more awake once it's on my face. Surprise, it's me again. This is my Eden Pro Moisturizer. It serves as a perfect palette to finish my look with so that I can start doing my makeup. It just serves as a barrier layer between your skin and the outside world. You want to lock in all the great skincare you just put on your face, and you want to create that perfect skincare palette so that when you go to put on your makeup, you still feel like your skin is glowing. Now let's get into my makeup routine. So I always wear a tiny bit of foundation. I'm in love with this Clé de Peau one because it is not too heavy. I don't really think heavy foundation is appropriate for a skincare queen like myself. So I only put a little bit, and I use the Clé de Peau blender to apply it. I love this foundation because I really love seeing my skin shine throughout the day. I want my clients to see my skin, so I just really put this on because I feel like it evens me out a little bit. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer under my eyes. This is a common situation for most of my clients as well, that you get a little bit of darkness under the eyes that just won't go away no matter what you do. It is kind of hereditary. And even though skincare and treatments does help a little bit, I still find that I like a little bit of brightness under there. Next, I am going to curl my eyelashes. I don't have a lot of eyelashes, so curling them will make my eyes look like they're more open and awake. There, that looks so much better. Next, I do eyeshadow. I use a palette by Mario. It is all neutral shades, which is perfect for me. So let me tell you a little bit about me. I started the company 16 years ago with my husband. I was inspired to start my own salon and my own skincare because I really just felt like I had been in the industry long enough that I had a point of view. A lot of people at the time in the beauty industry were doing a lot of filler and Botox, and I felt like all the facials were very much the same, no matter your skin type, no matter your skin tone, and I really wanted to change it up and modernize the way that we looked at skincare. We focus on non-invasive treatments for the skin. I have so many cool technologies. I actually patented a technology, and we've grown the company from a 300 square foot room to 2 salons on both coasts. For brows, I love using this Kevyn Aucoin. My mother warned me not to pluck my eyebrows when I was young, and of course I didn't listen to her. And of course she was right, so I have to fill them in now. I think I've been using black liquid eyeliner since 1988. I think I look naked and weird without it. I am absolutely in love with this Lash Rocket black liquid eyeliner. It actually has peptides in it, so it makes my eyelashes grow stronger and longer. Prepping an actress for a big moment in their life really bonds you together as a team. I have gotten to know many actresses over the years. I am proud to call some of them my very good friends. Elizabeth Moss, Rachel Brosnahan, Maggie Gyllenhaal, Mindy Kaling are all people that I cherish and hold dear to my heart. I love this for my lower lash line. I like a perfect, soft, reddish brown hue. And this one is by Flavedo and Albedo, and it's just perfecto. Mascara is the last thing with my eyes that I like to put on. It's by Soci Beauty. It doesn't smudge throughout the entire day. For cheeks, I am obsessed with Ilia Beauty in general. I combine two colors for contour and for a nice rosy glow. I used to get made fun of all the time for the shape of my face when I was growing up. And now I kind of love it, but it still needs a little contour and a little bit of a rosy glow over it. I really love Charlotte Tilbury. This is like a really cute pillow talk highlighter, but I like to lay a little bit on my cheekbone, and then I just put my finger in there and pop a little bit on my lid. Just bring some extra sparkle. The last step is the lip. I love a very neutral lip, and Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury I feel like was made just for me. I always do a bit of lip liner first, just to give me a little bit of shape. Next, I'm gonna put on the Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. It also stays on my mouth for quite a long time. I finish with this Sarah Happ lip balm. I'm kind of obsessed with this product. I keep one at my desk, one in my treatment room, one in the car. I go everywhere with it. Finishing touches, it is a perfect kind of setting spray for everything that I just put on, and it smells incredible. I am at the end of my routine, finally. Did we go over 5 minutes? I feel like that was a lot longer than 5 minutes. Sorry. All right, we are out of here. I'm gonna go get dressed. Come with me to my salon. Let's go to work. Your best self shouldn't have to include altering who you are or what makes you unique. I love natural noses and natural lips, and I think that that's something that should be embraced more as a society. And I look to do treatments that really embrace your unique qualities and really focus on the health and wellness of your lifestyle and your skincare routine. And I truly believe that if you dive all in on that aspect of skincare, you will look your best. My book, Glow From Within, came out right before the pandemic. I wrote it because I was inspired to share my advice and my knowledge about skincare with everybody. I wanted people to be reflective about what they're doing with their self-care routines in general. And I also wanted to highlight the idea that I think everybody is beautiful in their natural state. And my advice is meant to guide you to that point where you can finally love yourself and give grace to yourself when you look at yourself in the mirror.